Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my channel, and now guys we will continue from where we had left. So now in here we will we will open the database class. Alright, here we have this the database helper class. Then we have here is the db.execute SQL inside our own create method, and in here we have to write again execute SQL because we have to create the other table. So for this here we can say my constants dot SQL create entries, or we can say it like subcat query, and we will just copy it and paste it here. And after this inside our own upgrade method we are going to just copy it and paste it here, and instead of this cat, so we will have subcat drop. So we after this we are going to write the code for the add sub category. Okay, so here we will create another method, and that method will be add subcategory. In here we will write subcategory, then here we will have get subtitle. Okay, so here we will add some variables. So for this we can insert something. Let me show you how we can achieve that. So for this let me write for the title content values dot put, and instead of this title we are going to write the code for the my constant dot category subtitle, and then we have this, and after this we are going to write content values dot put. Then we have to put on the category ID. So for this we can say it like category ID, and for this we can simply say subcategory dot get category ID. After that we have to insert it into table name, table subcategory, table name subcategory. Okay, so now our function is complete. Now we have to go back to our subcategory activity method here, and in here we just have to okay, so here are the error is gone, and after this we are just going okay, so after this we are going to write the code for the on click event of this I mean this one. So for this we can simply copy it, and in here we can say on click dot id dot this public void add subcategory, and for this we have to now display the alert dialog. So I will just copy that from, let me just delete all the sorry guys. So here inside our main activity we just need to copy this other dialog and paste it here inside our subcategory activities. But for that we will create subcategory in the title, and we will have add, and in here we can say subcategory add subcategory, and then inside this we can change it to subcategory activity, and similarly for the subcategory here, and we will add name it as adapter. Okay, sorry, array list. So it will have an array list, and we can just add it like subcategory, just like that. Alright, and after this, here we will have the title input, then we will have the category ID. Okay, so we will create another uh, constructor here, and inside, instead of this, we can just say like this. Alright, so now the error is gone, and after this I think now everything looks fine. So I guess that is enough for this video. So guys, I will show you the demo, and if there is any issue I will resolve it in our last part of the video series. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And okay, one more thing which I have forgotten,